Topic that we are going to discuss today in this video class is pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun in a sentence. Okay, so what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun in a sentence. We've already discussed about nouns in our previous videos. Now we are going to discuss about pronouns. Okay, the words such as he, she, they, we, us, they are all pronouns. Look at the sentences given on your screen. It is Priya is a doctor. Priya works in Apollo Hospital in Delhi. Priya is a dedicated person. So here Priya is a noun that is repeating again and again in the sentences. Now we can write these sentences as Priya is a doctor. She works in Apollo Hospital in Delhi and she is a dedicated person. In these sentences, we have written she for Priya. By writing like this, we have made our sentences look better. So pronouns, the word she is a pronoun over here. Okay, so pronoun are words that are used in place of nouns so that nouns are not repeated in a sentence. Let us look at one more example. Here it is a conversation between two people. Okay, teacher, Anil, show me the notebook. Anil, I forgot to bring it, ma'am. Here me stands for teacher, I stands for Anil and it stands for notebook. Teacher, Anil and notebook are nouns because they are name of a person, place or thing. And me, I and it are words used in place of nouns. That means they are pronouns. So the words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, her, she, it, they and them are some common pronouns used in English grammar. Children, we've already discussed about singular nouns and plural nouns. Now, with singular nouns, we use singular pronouns. Those are I, me, you, she, her, he, him, it, his. These pronouns are used with singular nouns. Okay, and with plural nouns, we use pronouns such as we, us, you, they and them. One thing that you must have noticed here is that the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. You is the only pronoun that we can use with both the singular and the plural nouns. Let us now look at the use of pronoun you with both the singular and plural nouns. Okay, so first sentence is, it is an important match. You must play as a team. So here you is referred to as a group of people. Okay, so here it stands for a plural noun. Look at the second sentence. It is, do you have a pet? Does it play with you? So here you is used for a singular noun. Okay, so you is a pronoun that is used for both singular and plural nouns. Now look at few more sentences given on your screen. I kicked the ball. We had coffee in the evening. He scored a goal for the team. She plays tennis every Sunday. Pronouns such as I, you, he, she, it, they come in the naming part of a sentence. That means these pronouns are used to replace a name in a sentence, and that is why they usually come at the beginning of a sentence. Like, we had coffee in the evening. He is a good boy. So these pronouns are used to replace the naming part of a sentence, to replace a name in a sentence, and these pronouns they usually come at the beginning of a sentence. Now look at few more sentences. Sumit met me at the mall. I bought it from this shop. Ravi will meet you tomorrow. He met us in the garden. So pronouns such as me, him, her, us, you, them, they come in the telling part of a sentence. When we tell something about a noun in a sentence, then we use, instead of that noun, we use these pronouns. These pronouns usually come in the middle or at the end of a sentence. So if we use the pronoun I in the naming part of the sentence, in the beginning of a sentence, then in the middle or the end of the sentence we use the pronoun me. Okay, similarly with you we use the pronoun you. With the pronoun we, if we are using the pronoun we in the naming part of a sentence, then for the telling part of the sentence we use the pronoun us. They, with they we use the pronoun them. With he we use him. With she we use her, and for it we use the pronoun it. Now let us see the use of some common pronouns with the help of few sentences. Now with a girl or a woman, we use the pronouns such as she and her. Like, she is my sister, I like her a lot. Okay, so next is with a boy. For a boy or a man, we use the pronouns such as he and him. Like, he is a doctor, you can meet him tomorrow. When we are talking about our own self in a sentence, then we use the pronouns such as I and me. Okay, like, I am hungry, give me something to eat. Okay, the next is for person or persons we are speaking to. In that case, we use the pronoun you. Like, you are late, the teacher is waiting for you. Now, when we are talking about a group of people, then we use the pronouns such as they and them. Tina and Anu are singers. They sing well. People love to hear them. Okay. The next is when we are talking about a group of people, that includes us also. Okay, like for the example, please have a look at the example. Dia and I are friends. We are in the same school. My father drops us to school every day. Now have a look at the last one. So for the animal or for a thing, we use the pronoun it. Like, I saw a green frog. It jumped into the pond. So with animal, for the animals, for a thing or even for a place, we use the pronoun it. So I hope this topic of pronouns is clear to you. Please do the assignment given neatly in your notebook. So that's all for today from my side. Take care and goodbye.